Chief Minister appeals citizens to stand together for unity and integrity, following the footsteps of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in nation building. Minister of State for Home Affairs Kiren Rijiju flags off Unity Run 2016 for CRPF personnel and school children from the historic Kangla Fort. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh inaugurates different government projects in Jiribam, including 50-bedded hospital and a subsidiary police centre. Annual Fish Fair cum Fish Crop Competition 2016 held at Thau Ground. This year, total fish production stands at 85,000 kg. And Kwaraman Kaithel overcrowded with people as they indulge in last-minute shopping for Ningol Chakova. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Tenshmam Sangeeta with all the top stories and latest news at this hour. Rashtriya Ekta Divas was observed in Manipur today in remembrance of the first Home Minister of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was also part of the freedom struggle against the British rule. Speaking as a chief guest at the event held at First Manipur Rifles Ground, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh stated that this event is being held as a mark of respect to the role of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in nation building. He also mentioned that Vallabhbhai Patel took a great initiative in uniting all the princely states to make a united India. He appealed to all to stand together for unity and integrity. Led by the Chief Minister, all other leaders at the event took a stand to be united and protect the integrity.
भारत की ngasi oiba apun masaktam asi oirakna ba honabada toba thodang laukiba भारत की tanglaba ising asibu माकी मकोक नमिता इकाई खुनबा उत्पसे माकी मफमना भारत वासी सिंह तौबिमन खुनबा उत्पनी ngasi अथोई वर सिंह असिगी रिंगसिंग थौरम नेशनल यूनिटी डे असिदा एकोइना भारत की यूनिटी अमदी इंटीग्रिटी नाकनबा वासक लौमिनदुना भारत की अपुनबा सप्तम नाकसी
9 Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South conducted Unity Run 2016 for CRPF personnel and school children on the occasion of Rashtriya Ekta Divas 2016. The run was flagged off by Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Kiren Rijiju, who was the chief guest of the occasion. The event was flagged off from the historical Kangla Fort, which symbolizes the rich culture and tradition of the state. A large number of Assam Rifles personnel, CRPF personnel and students took part in the run. The Unity Run 2016 was conducted to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, also known as the Iron Man of India, who was instrumental in keeping India united. Kiren Rijiju visited Imphal to celebrate the joyous occasion of Deepavali with the officers and soldiers of Assam Rifles and CRPF deployed in Manipur.
मणिपुर के लोग बहुत ही टैलेंटेड, बहुत ही जो अपने आप को बहुत प्राउड फील करते हैं कि हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं और बहुत मेहनत करते हैं हिंदुस्तान का नाम को आगे पहुंचाते हैं, चाहे वो कल्चर में हो, स्पोर्ट्स में हो। मणिपुर इज अ वेरी आइडियल स्टेट, वेरी प्रॉस्पेरस स्टेट और इसमें लोग भी बहुत ही खूबसूरत हैं। तो इसको हिंदुस्तान का एक चमकता हुआ प्रदेश बनाए रखने में सारे हमारे जो फोर्सेस के लोग और यहाँ के स्टेट के जितने सिविल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है मिल करके प्रदेश को चलाने में और संभालने में जो मदद कर रहे हैं, भारत का सेवा कर रहे हैं, आप सबको मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ।
The theme of this year's is Integration of India. The day was jointly organized by National Service Scheme, NSSL, Manipur University and Department of Youth Affairs, Government of India at Manipur University Vice Chancellor Court Hall. University professors and students, among others, attended the observance. Government had last year decided to observe Sardar Patel Jayanti Day as Ekta Divas. This occasion provides an opportunity to reaffirm the inherent strength and resilience of the nation to withstand the threats to its unity, integrity and security. To commemorate the impeccable contribution of Sardar Patel in building Indian state, various programs were organized across the nation.
India ki amadi international khading ita yum dagi yapi parents ka masa sing siga imung ki whole community si phadana apoi ki shanti le ma matam da unity le matam da society da lakado the global population now crossing 7.2 billion, and out of this 7.2 billion 50 to 60% is the youth. If we could tap the potentials of the youth and directed them in a positive direction, earth can be converted into heaven.
Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh inaugurated different projects at Jiribam today. He inaugurated projects Borobekra Police Station in Jakuradhor, multi-utility complex of Jiribam Municipal Board, multi-purpose sports complex in Vidyanagar, subsidiary police training center in Jarolpokpi, 50-bedded hospital. Chief Minister could not inaugurate the model residential school in Lamlenkhul due to incomplete structure. Chief Minister was accompanied by Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam, Education Minister Dr. K. Ratan Kumar, Health Minister D. Korunthang, PDA Chairman T. Mangi Babu, Chairman of Hill Area Committee Dr. Chaltole Namo, Jiribam MLA T.H. Devendra Singh. Speaking at the function, Chief Minister said, Jiribam is an isolated place and his government will take more initiatives for the development. He said the railway project of Jiribam to Imphal will bring more development in the communication system of Jiribam to Imphal Valley. Chief Minister assured to open fire substation at Borobekra as the fire station of Jiribam subdivision is far-flung from Barak Circle and the people of Barak Circle face much difficulties as the inundated fire broke out. He also said that even though Jiribam is a subdivision but has well-set government infrastructure for the district level, and he assured to the people of Jiribam to fulfill their legitimate demand in a suitable time. Taking stock of educational sector, Chief Minister assured to upgrade Jiri College as a full-fledged government college, as well as he also asserted to regularize the contract teachers of Jiribam. The annual Fish Fair cum Fish Crop Competition 2016 was organized today by Directorate of Fisheries at Thauground, Thamaiban. The fish were sold at the rate fixed by the department. Katla was sold at 200 rupees per kilogram, Rahu at 250 rupees per kilogram, Mrigal at 250 rupees per kilogram, Common Crab at rupees 170 to 200 rupees per kilogram, Grass Carp at 180 to 200 rupees per kilogram, Silver Carp at 150 to 200 rupees per kilogram. While indigenous fish, Pengba Khabak was sold at 600 to 700 rupees per kilogram and Ngaton at 500 rupees per kilogram. Speaking at the function, Agriculture and Fisheries Minister Abdul Nasir said the state is trying to produce more fish under various central schemes. He said this year's total production of fish stands at 85,000 kilogram and the state is aiming to produce more in the next coming years.
National Fisheries Development Board kise koi Manipur ki anagi mamangi inflation certificate piba madar kar leba adu behli ge area di right time piba ngamba adu chingi se koi na verification khara leba adu na hojik pending khitang leba adu NFDB gi se hojik ti cooperation fajana dum pire adu makha tabe scheme ching project sing intier notice ta assam na meghalaya na loriba punna maksida gi koi na ta na lobudi nate direct beneficiary transfer ena even koi department na selection khaktani paisa di masa gi account da treasury gi through the finance na Treasury chalaga Treasury de chat kidabani atuna smoothly koi mai pak na farmer sing da DBT gi system chat na rabani na fajana mai pak na pangthok ngamani hayeng gi ningon chakau wasina apunba Manipur gi saktam se hena chechin anba pangkal leiba amasung tangdu laita ba punchi ama Manipur gi praja punamak ta phangan bo rasunu.
Khwairaman Kaithel was overcrowded with shoppers indulging in last-minute shopping for Ningol Chakopa, which will be celebrated tomorrow. Shoppers, young and old in age, thronged the Kaithel on last-minute shopping for tomorrow. Commuters had to sneak into the sea of crowds as there were no space to walk freely. People were seen buying things from street vendors rather than from shops inside the main market due to overcrowding. Shopkeepers at the market informed that there was decline in sale of products this year as compared to previous year. On the other hand, state police kept a strict vigil to avoid any untoward incident. The shopkeepers blamed the online shopping for the decline in business.
Ayo mane hele ꯑꯔꯩꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯌꯣꯟꯕꯅ ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯝꯃꯦ ꯎꯄꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯊꯥꯏꯅꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯛꯁꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯣꯟꯅ ꯃꯆꯤꯟ ꯃꯅꯥꯎ ꯃꯆꯤꯟ ꯃꯧꯄ꯭ꯋꯥ ꯆꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯣ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯥꯟꯗꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯎꯔꯣꯡ ꯀꯥꯕꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯇ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯀꯥꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯍꯅꯨꯔꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯂꯨꯍꯣꯡꯕꯩ ꯑꯎꯟꯄꯣꯠ ꯁꯨꯅꯕ ꯂꯥꯡꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯏꯕꯣꯛ ꯐꯥꯎ ꯍꯅꯨꯔ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯥꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯦꯜꯗꯣ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯂꯝꯖꯦꯟꯗꯣ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯄꯤꯛꯊꯕ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ.
Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba and Kut festival. In a press release, the governor wished for peace, love and harmony on the occasion. Speaker of the Manipur Legislative Assembly, T.H. Lokeshwar Singh, also extended warm greetings on the occasion. On the other hand, Manipur People's Party has also wished the Ningols of Manipur on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba. Joint Students Coordination Committee of MSU, MSF, KSA and SUK have strongly condemned the brutal assault of Desam President M. Angamba by Manipur police personnel in connection with 29 October incident at Manipur University along with other student leaders. Angamba and few other office bearers of Desam were assaulted by police personnel on 29th of this month. JSCC also condemned physical assault of students and breaking of camera from a media person. Joint Students Coordination Committee has warned that if such kind of atrocities continue on any student body, the committee will take up necessary action. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, Desam, has blamed the central government of indulging in provoking few unethical teachers at Manipur University. In a press note by Desam, stated that the current unstable situation of Manipur University is due to the interference of the central government. All Manipur United Clubs Organization Amuko President P.H. Devan Sharma welcomed the decision of Manipur government to announce Jiribam and Sadar Hills as a full-fledged district. However, he cautioned the government to not take this call just to please a few community. Speaking to media persons at his office in Kwakathil Bazaar, P.H. Devan stated that it is a necessity to create separate districts in a place with a population of more than 27 lakh. He also said that even to create a district, a reorganization is needed to assure adequate facilities are available to the people of the area. Devan Sharma also stated that a detailed discussion is a must before a district is created in order to avoid misunderstandings between different communities.
District ani sema sida akhoi objection laite tawbadabu district si sema matamda akhoi racism da yumpham oiba natragana ethnic ta akhoi yumpham morganda district sema simadi masi akhoi tawba yaro ai habisima akhoi stand point ni Manipura Senapati district na Sadar Hills laire aduga Imphal East ki dana Jiribam laire Tamenglong da Tongjai Maril Chandel gi dana Tengnopal haidana sumaina lairiba miyam singdugi inconvenient ori miyam singje Manipura lairiba akhoi stakeholders singna loi khangbiraba ngaktani aduna district si hairiba aina ngasi panjakriba district taruk amuk sidaisida district singche masi sema yamna mathau dai.
Southeast Asia Cultural Organization SICO organized second day of cultural revivalist today at Yai School MDO Hall. SICO President Kolomcha Achobi Kuman said the day is observed in remembrance of our forefathers who preserved the indigenous traditions and customs. He said 38 people who were involved in preserving the indigenous traditional customs were sentenced on 31st of October 1937 with the coming of Hindu religion in the state.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯇꯔ ꯅꯥꯠ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡ ꯏꯌꯦꯛ ꯁꯣꯟ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯤꯟꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯄꯣꯜꯂꯒ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯣꯟꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯎꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ 1947ꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ 2016 ꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛ 5ꯔꯣꯝ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯞꯅ ꯃꯤꯇꯩ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯔꯦꯀꯣꯔꯗꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯑꯣꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯅꯝꯊꯔꯝꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯀꯞ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯀꯣꯅ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯞꯇꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯇꯣꯕꯔ 28ꯁꯦ ꯑꯍꯟꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯍꯩꯀꯠ ꯂꯩꯀꯠ ꯇꯝꯗꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯦꯞꯅꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ.
BJP Andhra Mandal in a press release informs that it has documents which can prove the misuse of MLA Local Area Development Fund in Andhra constituency. It said they procured the documents through an RTI query. The press note also informs anybody can avail the documents from the Mandal office. BJP Manipur Pradesh in a press release informs that Khuraijam Loken Singh has been appointed as General Secretary of OBC Morcha of the party. Ningthojam Itomba, BJP aspiring candidate from Kairao Assembly constituency, today distributed printer items as a gift to widows of the Kairao Wanghen village in view of Ningol Chakoba tomorrow. Ningthojam Itomba said the gifts were given to motivate the widows on the occasion of Ningol Chakoba. He accused the local MLA Karam Thamarjit of not implementing schemes for widows in the constituency.
अखोई कैराव एसीदा लेरिबा एमएलए कराम थमरजिती अचाक ट्रांसफॉर्मर गुमनी मांगना कैराव एसीदा लेरिबा लुखराबिसिंगदा सोशल वेलफेयर ने पीरिबा फैमिली बेनिफिट स्कीम फावबा करी लुखराबिसिंगदा लौकरपा याबो वेलफेयर अमतसु माग लौकते महाग मसा लाक्तुन करी वाली हाइबो हंगददना मांगना लुखराबिसिंगी पैकेज पिरकपसिंगसी मांगना एमएलए अमो ओइना नेग्लेक्ट तौबासी याम नुंगाइजदे अदुबा हाइ इसाना कैराव केंद्रदा लेरिबा मराइबक थिरबि लुखराबिसिंगनसु मतम चाना खोना पाउ पिबिलक्तुना अंगम मतेंग दो पांगजगे हाइबा मेसेज लोइना ngasiगी chamlaba khodolasi akhoi ise isalasinga aina kudon tamjabani.
Kaisampad Thiam Lekai Development Committee has threatened to block the adjoining road of Kaisampad Thiam Lekai and Kambam Lekai if it is not repaired within 10 days. The committee in a press release said this stretch of road has not been repaired for a very long time, despite many requests. Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Pengba nga ton pangbiragani ningol chakobugi mangoy na mapung mari faraba pengba amadi nga ton ningol chakobugi damak discount su pizari nga ton kg mga laibada kg ama free pengba kg tara laibada kg ama free da pizari akak naba matamni ngasi maglengsin biroktono order to biho phangpham S Tomba and Sons Pengba Farm Hyangthang Bazaar.
Diwali amasung ningol Chakobugi special discount pizari ITC Limited ki premium clothing brand Wills Lifestyle gi Thangmaiban Mesnam Lekai opposite House ground labor store da Diwali amasung ningol Chakobugi special discount pizari nupa amasung nupi ki formal casual amadi evening party wear yauna makhu khuding makki fizol sing fangbigani ngasi maglengsin biraksi Wills Lifestyle store Thangmaiban Mesnam Lekai opposite House ground.
Aigi thamoina achit ka thasaba thamjari Sri Mani Kumar Jewelers. Yumda sumlay raka khanbana di kana roi engunda loina thengna khrabani wakhal do wagana lao aikoi kudingo phasarina rase miyam gi apamba design kudingo soidana phanglagani Sri Mani Kumar Jewelers.
Ngasimak lengshin biro Diwali kumhai amadi ningol chakawbagi mangoinana ningol singna set chabada pakcharagadaba pijet lighting kaya Silaima Emporium Singjamai Chinga Mangkha opposite Oinamler Ngasimak Lengshin Biro.
The first urban cross hatchback Datsun Ready Go with 800cc. Subnatagi lag anigalising ni Punipan Piba car asigi features singdi ground clearance 185mm, boot space 222 liters, power steering, mileage 25.17 km per liter, immobilizer. Book to bihoro gariasi ngasi mag showroom da laktuna leire. Test drive kidamak Lengshin Birao Island Nissan near Standard Robert High Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal. Datsun Ready Go.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. For the first of its kind in the world, 6,464 people with hearing issues will be provided 12,885 hearing aids. Health Commissioner P.K. Singh mentioned this distribution program of hearing aids during a press meet at Old Secretariat, Babupara. He further mentioned that the distribution program will be held on 5th of November at Kumalam Park. This program is undertaken under National Program for Prevention and Control of Deafness by National Health Mission Manipur. With an amount of 6 crore rupees sanctioned by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, P.K. Singh is hopeful of no issues of deafness and dumbness in the state of Manipur if the program succeeds. Dumbness is due to deafness, and hence all kids should be checked of their deafness issues before the age of 2.
Our intention is that we will attempt to install these hearing aids on all the 6,464 patients in one go. We'll bring 6,000 patients from all over the state together to Kumalam Lampak main stadium, do their hearing implant, and then take them out again to the districts. So it will be a huge exercise, and I just hope that it goes through very well. Of course, this will be continued. Wherever incremental patients are there, we'll try and help them. But if you succeed, it will be a great achievement.
All shops in Moreh town of Chandel district was closed under the aegis of Chamber of Commerce Moreh in protest against the killing of Dharmendra Kumar on 29th of October. All the shops in Moreh was closed from 6 a.m. and remained closed till 6 in the evening. On the other hand, services of all passenger vehicles remain suspended on Imphal-Moreh Road due to 48-hour total shutdown called by United Naga Council. The Kuki Students Organization Moreh has condemned the barbaric assassination of Dharmendra Naik and life attempt on his wife. In a press release by the organization, they appeal to refrain from such activities in future. And the big national news, the 8 terror suspects of the banned outfit Students Islamic Movement of India SIMI, who managed to escape from the Bhopal Central Jail early today morning, were killed in an encounter on the outskirts of Bhopal near Acharpura village. After receiving a tip-off from the villagers, a joint team of ATS and Madhya Pradesh police surrounded the suspected terrorists near Acharpura village in Munaga police station and shot them dead. The encounter lasted for about 30 minutes, in which at least 2 policemen sustained injuries. Madhya Pradesh government claimed that the terrorists were planning to carry out a major terror attack after fleeing from the jail. Now some sports news. All Manipur Football Association today felicitated Manipur team, the winners of the 7th NEC Dr. T. Ao Memorial Northeast Football Championship. The function was held at the residence of AMFA Treasurer L. Dinamani at Haubam Marak Lorimbam Lekai. Coach and manager Mohammad Zain Khan and M. Ratan Kumar were also presented with gifts. It may be mentioned that Manipur lifted the tournament for the 5th time.
Team pulak tabagi aini kiramiam Meghalaya ka tabasda aru sanar kan de tasena akoi players sina control adi individually adi physical adi strength adi sweet mam si sum hanjelak ba adu coordination ja koi hanjelak na akoina Meghalaya si adum 7-0 da thoi adu aini adum khalle live team ji sum yeng kan da ana handaki 7 dak da diasu akoina dum champion oigani haisi adum masi aigi full confidence ni tasena ai players ji su magi discipline level adi moi attitude behavior se yam phai Manipur thora iba angang sing sigi moigi discipline gi idealism si hajik handa gi gi saliba khongsa sigi players sing si ne na aina hygienic.
And in chess, S. Premjit emerged as a champion of the 2nd Manipur Open Chess Tournament. The tournament was organized by Manipur Chess Association at Kumalam Park Sports Complex, Kangsang. In the open category, S. Premjit emerged as the champion after receiving 8.5 points. He received the trophy along with 50,000 rupees in cash reward and a certificate. K. Sanjoy and G. Inao stood 2nd and 3rd respectively. K. Sanjoy received 40,000 rupees cash reward, trophy and certificate, while G. Inao received 30,000 rupees cash reward, trophy and certificate. In the under 15 boys, Melson Yumnam, KHOS Aimson and T.S. Johnny stood 1st, 2nd and 3rd position. In the under 15 girls, Y. Yaisana, Nungsithoy NG and Konalika Yumnam stood 1st, 2nd and 3rd position. The tournament kick-started from the 23rd of October. With that is a wrap in this edition of Primetime English News. Before we end, a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh appeals to citizens to stand together for unity and integrity, following the footsteps of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in nation building. Minister of State for Home Affairs Kiren Rijiju flags off Unity Run 2016 for CRPF personnel and school children from the historic Kangla Fort. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh inaugurates different government projects in Jiribam, including 50-bedded hospital and a subsidiary police centre. Annual Fish Fair cum Fish Crop Competition 2016 held at Thau Ground. This year, total fish production stands at 85,000 kilograms. And Khwairaman Kaithel overcrowded with people as they indulge in last-minute shopping for Ningol Chakova.